In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a PDF in Bluebeam. If you've ever opened a PDF and found you can't print, copy text, or make certain changes, the file probably has security settings in place. Unlocking in this context simply means removing or adjusting those restrictions when you're authorized to do so. You will need the current password to make any changes to security. This process doesn't bypass protection, it respects it. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Make sure you're looking at the correct file, especially if you have multiple documents open, and give it a moment to fully load so all the document properties are available. Next, head to the File menu at the top, choose Document Properties, and then select the Security section. This is where Bluebeam summarizes how the file is protected. You'll see whether the document requires a password to open and whether permissions like printing, copying, commenting, or page extraction are restricted. Think of this page as your dashboard for understanding what's currently allowed and what's blocked. Take a careful look to confirm if the PDF has password protection or restrictions. Some files require a password just to open, others open normally but lock down specific actions. Understanding which situation you have will guide what you change next. If you're working under organizational policies or project requirements, it helps to confirm what level of access is appropriate before you proceed. Click Change Security. Bluebeam will prompt you for the current password. Enter the correct password to continue. This confirms you have permission to modify the document's security. If the password isn't accepted, the program won't allow changes, and that's by design to protect the document's integrity. Once you're in, remove or adjust the permissions as needed. You can disable the requirement for a password to open the file if that's appropriate, or you can fine-tune specific permissions like allowing printing, enabling text copying, or permitting commenting, depending on what the workflow calls for. It's usually best to grant only the access that's necessary, keeping the document as secure as your project standards require. When your selections look right, click OK to apply the changes. The security summary should immediately reflect your updates, and features that were previously unavailable will now be accessible within the document. This means tasks like printing or copying text, if allowed, will behave normally going forward. That's all there is to it. Open the PDF in Bluebeam Revu, go to File, Document Properties, Security, review the protections, choose Change Security with the current password, adjust the permissions to match your needs, and click OK to finalize the changes.